Hi guys. Um, so I decided to do something a little bit different today. Um, because you've just found out you don't get to come back to school for a while. And I know I look really frightening, but you guys are, that's why I'm little in the corner and you see the cutest baby sloth in the world. That's what they say. I'm going to have you watch just kind of like I would say a catch up day because some of you are probably just barely getting on to do your math. And history, I know you don't really need a catch up day, but this is what we're going to do today. So I am going to have you guys watch a video about this guy who did something pretty incredible um, with technology. I really, really love this video, and I want you guys to just send me an email and comment what you thought of it. That's how you're going to get credit for this assignment. And I want you guys to think of something that maybe you could do to kind of help someone else during this time, to kind of spend your time in a positive way. So go ahead, you're going to watch the two videos that I gave you. That's your assignment. And you are going to send me an email and tell me what you thought and think about some positive things you could do during this time. Have fun.